Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to another evening of Thirsty Thursday Bourbon Cocktails. What are we going to be making tonight? How about a Lavender Manhattan? This isn't your typical Manhattan, but it does have a lot of the similar ingredients. We're going to add a fragrant and floral note to it that I think you're really going to enjoy, and it's going to make you ready for springtime. So first, let's talk about what we need to make this cocktail. To start with, a great lavender whiskey. Now, I found this lavender whiskey at Boundary Oak Distillery in Radcliffe, Kentucky. It's called St. Luke, and it's really nice and floral. It's made with natural lavender. It's only 60 proof, but it's not overly sweet and has a very nice flavor profile. Because that's only 60 proof, I'm also going to add a bit of Maker's Mark bourbon to bring the level of bourbon up just a notch, but not overpower it, because I am using a wheated bourbon. As is typical in a Manhattan, we will want a sweet vermouth. To finish it off, we will use aromatic bitters. I hope you're ready to get started, because this is going to go quickly, because it's not a very difficult cocktail to make. So to start with, we will grab our lavender whiskey, which is fantastic. I can smell it from here. We're going to be using a mixing glass tonight, and I am only making one cocktail this time. So first, we're going to use 2 ounces of our lavender whiskey. Oh yes, I can smell that lavender already. Next, we're going to use only a ½ ounce of our Maker's Mark. There we go. That'll just take the proof up ever so slightly and give it a little bit of bourbon flavor happening. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of our sweet vermouth. And finally, we will use 2 dashes of our aromatic bitters. Now we will just stir gently until the ingredients are fully incorporated with one another. You can tell they're well blended and chilled. I did chill the Coupe glass ahead of time, because we will be using this in a Coupe glass without any ice. So we want to make sure this is chilled well. And again, I did use a block ice because I wanted less melting of the ice, because again, this is a lower proof drink and I didn't want it to reduce that flavor or proof anymore. So it is feeling like this is pretty chilled now. We'll grab our Coupe glass. We will pour this into there. Just like that. Now I did experiment with trying some garnish, an orange peel as we often use, or a lemon peel in a Manhattan, or a brandied cherry. But on any of those options, I found it really detracted from the lavender and somewhat took over the overall flavor. So we're kind of having it very, very neat. So let's taste how this is. Cheers. Yes, it's very lavender, aromatic. You're getting these nice floral scents off of this. You do get the sweet vermouth. It adds that little bit of notch of that sweetness from that, and the aromatic bitters kind of pull it together and make it very well balanced. So I hope you're getting in the mood for springtime. You can see those lavender fields blowing in the wind, and you're ready to try this Lavender Manhattan. always, drink responsibly, but have a fantastic evening. Cheers, and I'll see you next week.